Hello traders, and welcome to another DMBFX market analysis this Tuesday 7th of February. We're going to have a look at the markets for you by looking at the three main currency pairs that we're following on a daily basis: the Euro USD, the GBP USD, and Euro CHF. Now there has been some interesting stuff going on in the market today, so let's start with the Euro USD to see what's going on. Now, as you can see, there has been quite a bit of bullish movement for the Euro USD today. Pretty much had this huge spike from the 130.880 level all the way up to the 132.717 level, which is pretty much the 2-month high for this pair. Now, this obviously comes after the announcement that there could be a Greek bailout for Greece in the near future. If we have a quick peek at the hourly chart, you'll see that you'll have a clearer view of this. Now, one thing to keep in mind is obviously that there could be a bit of a retracement after the spike that we had here, a bit of a downward retracement correction that we could see after this huge bounce that we had. If we have a quick peek at the individual charts, you'll have a clearer view. Obviously, the euro trending performing very good against its long-term moving average line here. However, different scenario for the dollar, which is slowly but surely gravitating towards its long-term moving average line here. If we have a quick peek at the probability indicator, you'll obviously see that the bears are in control at the moment. This obviously follows the spike that we had here. If we move on to the GBP USD for today, you'll see pretty much a similar scenario for the cable as well. Has had this huge spike all the way up to the 159.046 level, and is pretty much still going strong at the moment, still trading upwards. If we have a quick peek at the individual charts, you'll obviously see that the pound has been performing very strong. However, there is started to a bit of a convergence taking place at the moment. So I think there is a high probability of a bit of a retracement after the spike that we had here as well. If we have a quick look at the long-term moving averages, you'll no major surprise really that the pound performing quite strongly and trading above its long-term moving average line. However, the dollar slowly but surely being pretty much even leveled with its long-term moving average line here. If we have a final quick peek at the probability indicator, you'll see that the bears are in control at the moment, and it obviously follows a bit of the correction that we've seen here as well. If we have a quick peek at the Euro CHF, which is our final currency, you'll see a similar pattern here as well. The Euro CHF trading all the way up to the 121.016 level, however, got a bit rejected there and is currently trading at the 120.913 level. If we have a quick peek at the individual charts for this pair, you'll obviously see that they are pretty much even leveled at the moment. There is a bit of a convergence taking place with the two pairs. And if we have a quick look at the long-term moving average lines here, you'll obviously see that both the euro and the CHF performing quite strongly at the moment, which kind of explains the sideways movement that we're seeing at the moment. Finally, let's have a look at the probability indicator for the Euro CHF, and really no major surprise really that the bears are in control at the moment, following this rejection that we saw here and the correction that we're seeing downwards at the moment. That's pretty much it for the market analysis for today. Thank you very much for watching, and as usual, if you have any more questions or suggestions, please check us out on www.dmbfx.com. Thank you very much.